Good morning! Wink. Good morning! Alexa, good morning!
Good morning. Which of the following do you think was named after Julius Caesar, the month of July or the Caesar salad? If you guessed July, you're right. The Caesar salad was actually named after the Italian chef Caesar Cardini. I guess Julius was more of a meat and potatoes kind of guy.
What the heck? So that's the Caesar salad name came from. I believe so. So, I'm heading to work right now and look at my outfit. So if you wonder what is this is a microphone from Sony RX100 Mark II. And right now they have like Mark V, which is very expensive to have one right now. This camera, I do believe it's like 2 years or 3 years old now, but still working. That's why I vlog on this, because of this microphone. But then the screen is, how should I? I'm sorry, I cannot show you guys. Okay, I'm going to work. See you in 8 hours. Alright guys, good evening, and the time is 9:21. I just finished working, so I did start like 1 o'clock, 1:05, and then I finish, wow, 9:21. So OT. I'm tired. See you in a bit. Alexa, good evening.
Why, hello.
Suplada. Alexa, turn on the LED lights.
Okay.
Turn it off. Alexa, turn it off. Alexa, switch off LED lights.
Okay.
Alright, I just arrived from my drive, 30 minutes drive, and Ode is preparing our food. Hello.
Oh my god, I have to do it separately.
What is that? Corned beef.
But I want to heat up the rice.
Rice, very important. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, very hot. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Okay, parking pass, ID, keys, bag, pack lunch. I'm all set, but it's very hot. Whew. After 8 hours, I am done working. Guys, welcome to another vlog, and I'm heading home. I am so tired of this, and tomorrow is my day off, so I'm so happy. I have a lot of things to do. Like Ode gave me an assignment once again. But I'll continue more on gardening because that's my focus this month, to do the gardening, because it's the best time to do gardening because it's a lot of sunshine and there's no rain. But tomorrow the forecast would be cloudy and I hope it will rain a little. Anyway guys, see you next clip. Alright, welcome to another vlog. Ode gave me an assignment which is right here. Actually I wrote this thing but it's not focusing well. Finish the wall picture. Okay. This one is install bathroom light fixture. This one is bathtub caulk work. I'm not yet done with this, but this guy right here is. So I replaced this one. This is the old light fixtures, and let's go to the bathroom. New light fixture. This would be my second time changing light fixtures. I'm not really good at electric, but I am just assuming that I know. Anyway, right there, that's the new light fixtures. I put it back, this thing, because we have a visitor coming next week and I don't have yet the recessed cabinet because it's cost a lot. It cost like $100 and I'll continue gardening because it's so hot and nice outside. Guys, I'm almost done with our front lawn? No, front garden or front yard. Alright, so this is how it look like. So these are the red mulch. The purpose of this is to layer the soil in order to preserve the moist of the soil. So it preserves the water underneath, and also it protects from the sunlight so that the weeds wouldn't grow. The color red, I don't know what's the reason. So anyway, so right here, as you can see, there's a pathway going towards the lawn, and I don't really know what's the purpose of this, but just of now I see this, and this is the gutter outlet, and I think the purpose of this is a dry creek. So when rain comes, the water goes over here and then and goes over there. But actually I thought this is a pathway, but I said, how come this is a pathway? It's kind of like ugly. Nah. So that's for the garden maintenance 101. What else should I say? I think that's it for today. And I'll just water the plants because it's been a month now. There's no rain here in Seattle. Alright, like what I always say, mabuhay and aloha. Bye-bye.